What's up, kitchen gamblers? Today we're making the crispiest chicken tenders you've ever seen. And yes, we've also got a secret sauce that literally fixes everything except your grades, relationships, and electricity bills. But food wise, you're set. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. Prep the chicken. In a bowl, drop in 500 grams of chicken tenders and listen, I am about to change your life. Use a fork to remove the tendon. Just hook it, pull it, and boom, gone. No knives, no stress, no chicken screaming in the background, just clean tenders. Lovely. We are adding half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt, and about half teaspoon crushed black pepper. At this point, the chicken is already smelling like it's in the top 1% of tenders, but we are not done. Now pour in 45 ml of pickle juice, yes, pickle juice, trust me, and 50 ml of ayran or buttermilk. Ayran is basically Turkish buttermilk but with more personality. Mix and add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce or your favorite hot sauce. Then give the tenders a good massage nicely, gently, like you are apologizing to them for eating them later. Cover and let this marinate at least 2 hours or overnight if you want them to taste like they've been to culinary university. Step 2. Dry coating. Alright, moving on. In a bowl, add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper. Mix everything together. Make sure there are no flour lumps. This is dry coating, not mashed potatoes. Set it aside and pretend you're organized. Now, our secret dip. This sauce is so good you'll start dipping things that were never meant to be dipped. In a bowl, add 5 to 6 tablespoons ayran or buttermilk, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, salt to taste. Mix it up until smooth. Then chop a little parsley, sprinkle it in, and boom, secret sauce unlocked. Achievement level, Sauce Master 3000. Frying. Heat your oil to 350 Fahrenheit around 175 degrees Celsius. Now let's get back to our chicken. We are doing a single coat, simple but crispy. Grab a tender, toss it in the seasoned flour, press it, don't be shy, and while pressing, turn it clockwise. Clockwise, people, this is the secret to perfect crumbs. Anti-clockwise, that's how you summon disappointment. Shake off the extra flour and line them up like little soldiers ready for delicious battle. Once the oil is hot, gently drop in the tenders. Let them fry 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown and beautiful. If they start floating, that's the chicken telling you, I'm done, take me out. Place them on a wire rack or tray, sprinkle some salt, and just admire them for a few seconds. They deserve it, you deserve it. Everyone deserves crispy chicken tenders. Now grab your secret sauce, dip a tender in, take a bite. That crunch, that's the sound of happiness, my friend. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment and subscribe for more crispy goodness. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.